everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Phyllis of JRC Restoration Decor and Designs. Today I will be revamping two pictures that I purchased from Goodwill into mirrors. If you would like to see how I create these pictures, just keep watching. Here I am removing the paper backing that I will replace when my project is complete. Now I'm lifting each staple that is holding the cardboard down so that I can pull each one out quickly and safely to avoid cracking the glass. I am priming the cardboard up to remove the black trim molding piece around the picture. Okay, now I'm separating the mat from the picture so that I can pull the molding off. Okay, while removing the glass, I do see that there are a few more staples that I need to remove. Now that the disassembling process is complete, it is time to create my mirror. These are mirrors that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using the mirrors and setting the frames aside. I'm using a household Windex cleaner just to clean the glass on both sides before putting back in the frame. Now the mat has a sticky residue that really came in handy. I used that to my advantage. I put the molding pieces back in place. I used this fix-all adhesive glue that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I put it in every corner of the molding. Now I take the Dollar Tree mirrors and lay them directly on top of the molding, face down in the center of the frame. I glue the mirrors together in the center using the fix-all adhesive glue as well as on each corner. Using my glue gun and glue sticks purchased from Joann's, I secure the mat in each corner with my glue gun. Now I'm using the picture on the backing of the frame as extra security and securing it in the same manner as I did the mat by using my glue gun to secure it in each corner to the frame. So I'm replacing the backing onto the frame, and I will be securing that using a standard stapler. I'm almost done. So to give it extra added glam, I'm going to be using these mirrors that I purchased from Collecting Warehouse, and I'll be placing them all around the edge of the frame. blue painter's tape to hold each mirror into place until it dries, and this takes about 24 hours. I completed this process on all 4 sides and let it sit overnight. This is what it looked like after sitting for 24 hours. Now here's the before and the after. How beautiful. I love how I could take something from Goodwill, turn the trash into a beautiful treasure. Thank you for watching. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. And until next time, make it a blessed and productive day.